Hiro-san,
Hi, good afternoon, everyone.
how are you?
Good. Today is actually last day, 2020.
2020, yes.
This
By the
is
time
a-
you see it, it's going to be sometime in 2021.
Yeah, 2021. So I should say, hopefully you guys have a good year next year, 2021, and a happy New Year.
Happy New Year, yes.
This is going to be Happy New Year.
Happy New Year
video.
to you,
Yeah.
yes.
This is the last meal I'm making in this year.
Okay. Okay.
Actually, now it's almost like 2 o'clock,
Yeah.
10 more hours.
10 more hours
Yeah,
for us here in Miami.
Japan is already.
Did you wish your mom a Happy New Year?
I tried to phone call, but she didn't pick up the phone.
Oh, okay.
So, but I spoke to my sister earlier. So.
Okay, good.
And some of the Japanese friends, I already texted them and I already answered them.
Oh, nice. Very, very nice.
So of course I have a lot of fun in the different countries, European. So everybody has a time lag to New Year's. I wish everybody going to have a good year 2021.
Right. Very, very good. All right, to celebrate this last meal, Hiro, what are we making today?
Salmon Carpaccio.
All right. Sounds good. Let's go through the ingredients first.
Yes, this is the main ingredient here.
This
Of
beautiful
course.
Backerfall salmon. You guys
Yes.
can get it also delivered to your house in the U.S. Information down below. Check out the description box. Been using the salmon for about 7 years already. And of course, Hiro's so happy you are their brand ambassador. Check this out. Since 1968, the year you were born. Match made up in heaven.
Yeah.
Okay.
Exactly.
All right, let's
And
go
then
through.
all other ingredients, actually I'm going to make the sauce, salt and pepper here, olive oil, yuzu juice, little bit of mirin, and honey, and the ichimi pepper. Then also I'm going to use the orange, red onion, olive, mitzvah, leaf, and kaiware.
Okay.
Mitzvah is pretty much looks like cilantro.
It does.
Yeah, and this whole recipe, instead of the yuzu, you can use lemon juice.
Okay. What is the first step?
Okay, first step, I'm going to slice up to the salmon.
Okay.
I'm going to put onto the plate. Okay, first one, olive oil. Yuzu juice. It's almost same amount. And just a little bit of mirin. And honey. Okay, kaiware. So cutting too small. Then just sprinkle Mitsuba leaf. I'm going to use just for this leaf. Cut into smaller. Okay, then now a little kick ichimi powder. Just a little bit.
Take a look at this dish, people. How beautiful is this? You saw the ingredients I would put in here. So simple, so elegant looking. Do this at the next party and get some reaction from your friends and family. They're gonna say, you're a certified chef, a master sushi chef. Hiro, I can't wait to try this. Looks beautiful. If you guys can make it home, thanking the back of us for sending the salmon to us and for us to be their brand ambassador. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up. Comment below, share it. Don't forget to subscribe and tell us what you want to see next with this beautiful salmon. We'll try and make it. Thank you so much, Hiro.
Thank you very much. See you next time.
Okay, without further ado, let's do this, Hiro-san.
Yes.
I can't wait to try this beautiful salmon carpaccio. Done your way. It looks delicious. All right, Hiro-san, enjoy.
Yes, it's already black pepper is already into the sauce, but fresh pepper is always good. I'm gonna put a little fresh black pepper. Okay, let's try.
Take a look at this. Wow. Enjoy, Hiro.
Very, how they call, refreshing.
Refreshing, right?
Orange and yuzu juice.
Oh yeah, very tropical, maybe, you know. It's like a dish that you can only find in Miami, basically. Maybe add some mango in it too,
Yeah, mango would be nice too.
right? Give that real ultra tropical flavor. But this one with the orange already and the yuzu, I'm sure.
I think saltiness is okay for it. Right?
Wow. You know what? This reminds me of like having some need on the beach, like in some hotel resort, maybe by the pool or by the beach, down here, maybe in the Bahamas somewhere. So refreshing. And I love the fact that the onions just really can bring on even more flavor in the salmon. But I love it. I love the flavors of this, the sweetness of the orange. Got a little bit of honey in there as well. Everything just works really, really well. Wow. Gonna have one more piece here. Here, having some more.
Yeah.
So good. You guys, visually, this is already a knockout. But the taste, a total knockout. You guys try to make this at home. Hiro made it look so easy, but you guys can do it too. I think I'm going to do it too at home. So good, Hiro.
Very good.
I love it. Well, again, Happy New Year to everyone here,
Oh yes, Happy New Year for everyone.
and wishing a wonderful 2021. See you guys very soon.